Welcome to the CAEN spectroscopy video tutorials. In this video, we will learn to use the Quantus coincidence tab to perform correlations between Hexagon input channels. Hexagon, like all the MCAs, allows the user to perform gated acquisitions driven by an external gate or inhibit signal. However, since it is a dual-channel MCA, it allows also to perform correlations between its two input channels. Quantus supports both these capabilities. First step, connect Hexagon to the detector and the Quantus software to the board as explained in the video tutorial Quantus Spectrum Acquisition. Second step, open the MCA Signal Inspector window as explained in the video tutorial MCA Signal Inspector. Third step, set the parameter on the Input tab as explained in the video tutorial MCA Input Settings. Fourth step, set the parameters on the Energy Filter tab as explained in the video tutorial Energy Filter tab Settings. Fifth step, go into the Quantus Run Control tab and select the Start-Stop mode Software Synchronized. This is mandatory in order to have both the Hexagon input channels starting the acquisition together and have the same zero of the event's time tag. Sixth step, go into the Quantus Coincidence tab of the Device Settings window. As you can see, the tab is divided in two sections. On the left are included the inhibit gate functionalities. They allow to perform a gated or vetoed acquisition driven by an external signal sent either to the Hexagon front panel connectors or to the Hexagon rear panel DB25 connector. These functionalities are not detailed in this video tutorial. On the right are included the neighbor channel correlation functionalities. When you select it, a pop-up window appears providing some additional details. You can set the correlation type, coincidence or anti-coincidence, and the correlation window length. A very useful tool that Quantus provides is the delta T-plot. It allows the user to immediately check the time correlation between the signal coming to the Hexagon input channels and easily set the correlation window length. Click on Open Coincidence Settings tool. A pop-up appears explaining the benefit of the delta T-plot. Continue and select the reference channel. On the shown plot, you can immediately see the time difference between the signal of the Hexagon input channels. In this window, you can set the coincidence window length, that is immediately shown in darker light blue, and the coincidence delay, that allows to shift the coincidence window so that it is centered on the signal's correlation peak. The delta T-plot window automatically tells you what is the maximum allowed correlation window length that depends on the trapezoidal filter settings. You can also enlarge the plot timescale by changing the number of bins and the DT step parameter. Once you are done with the parameters, press Apply to have them applied to the Hexagon input channels. Close the device settings window and start the acquisition. Tutorial completed. Check the CAEN website for other video tutorials. Thanks for watching.